We are on the ground in Mayport, Jacksonville, Florida, the Atlantic Gateway. If you're looking for work on this side of the state, you're looking at these two names, Singleton's and Safe Harbor. This isn't just a tourist stop. This is the heart of the Duval County fleet. FV Surfion. FV Beachcomber. FV Nancy Lee. Here's the intel. Don't just show up and hope for the best. Use the WalkDock app to see which of these vessels are registered and who's currently managing their roster. We're mapping the Mayport basin right now, so you don't have to waste fuel driving down Ocean Sea if the bunks are full. We're seeing a shift in the Atlantic cycle. Be ready. FV Captain Matthew. FV Iris Marie. FV Dying Breed. FV Becky and FV 7 Arrows. FV Anna Maria Rose. Walking along the docks near Ocean Sea, moving between the industrial scale of Safe Harbor and the iconic wood-sided Singletons. Moving down basin to Safe Harbor. These guys have scaled up. They run a massive fish house operation alongside the restaurant. If Singleton's is the history, Safe Harbor is the engine. They have the infrastructure to handle the big haul. For a greenhorn or a captain looking to offload, Safe Harbor is the primary signal. They have a high turnover of product, which usually means a high demand for reliable hands on the docks and the decks. Second up, Singletons. They've been the anchor here for decades. You see these boats? They aren't just for show. Singletons maintains a working fleet. When you're looking for a deckhand spot here, you're looking for heritage. This dock is tight, the work is heavy, but if you want to learn the Atlantic shrimp game, FV, Jennifer Ann. Mayport is audited, signal is clear. If you want us to scout your harbor and give you this level of breakdown, hit the dispatch button on the site. We provide the intel, you provide the fuel. Walk the docks. Start fishing. Out.